Back here at home, more than 40 million people across the Gulf Coast are preparing for record-breaking rainfall with what's expected to be the first named storm of the season, Arthur, now approaching the state of Texas. Here's CBS News correspondent Jason Allen.
More than half a foot of rain brought dangerous flash flooding to multiple states today, turning roadways into canals throughout Louisiana. Residents in DeRidde are wading through waist-high water to seek higher ground. And in Mississippi, while some were able to drive through floodwaters, others had to be towed. Lightning and blinding sheets of rain soaked South Padre Island in Texas overnight. And water continued to pour into neighborhoods throughout the state today.
So we want Houstonians to remain resilient and be prepared and listen to messaging that may be coming from the mayor or from the Office of Emergency Management.
In this Houston neighborhood, after hours of rain, the water is basically using this driveway as a stream bed.
That was definitely a lot of rain. Yeah, in a small period of time.
Justin Milne lives north of Houston in Tomball.
Justin, you guys are used to rain. You're used to flooding around here. But this is still significant?
This is significant for a small period of time, yeah, for sure.
Sun is out, but all of the water that fell here, 6 inches near this neighborhood, still draining out of it and down the street today. Further to the west, near San Antonio, the sheriff's office confirmed that a woman was killed when flash floods pushed her car into a swollen creek. Tony?
All right, Jason, thank you very much. In addition to that massive flood zone in the south, more than 80 million people are in the path of potentially powerful storms from the Midwest to the Northeast this week. Meteorologist Rob Marciano tracking it all. Rob?
Hey, Tony. Well, a significant tornado and tropical storm threat coming tomorrow with a bit of a pregame tonight. Severe thunderstorm watches up for some spots that will get hit tomorrow. Again, Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan. That's up until 11 o'clock tonight. And flash flood watch remains across the Texas coastline and much of I-10 as well. As far as the severe weather tomorrow, a level 4 out of 5 potential for seeing tornadoes. Peoria, Springfield, over towards Kankakee, but Chicago, St. Louis, back through Indianapolis, you're not out of it either. And then this all pushes to the northeast during the day on Thursday. In the south, this is a potential tropical cyclone. Could be our first storm of the season in the way of Arthur as it moves over the Gulf tomorrow. But the big story with this is going to be rain anywhere from 5 to 10 inches and isolated amounts of 15 to 20, not out of the question. Hurricane season off to a pretty fast start and tornado season lingering.